feel that my skin looks much healthier. And it made my hair so shiny. Hey my kitties, I'm your host Manvi, and today I'm gonna share my facial massage ritual using the Gua Sha. I think I shared my weekly skincare routine video where I was using these and I got a lot of comments to share a dedicated video on this. So here we go. So I will be using the rose crystal Gua Sha. This is what I use the most. It has a beautiful energy, like rose crystal represents love, healing, self-care. So today's video is going to be very relaxed. So relax, light your candles. Now before beginning, there are two rules which you should know. Always use your Gua Sha like this, horizontally to your face, not vertically or perpendicular to your face. Now second rule is that always use light to medium pressure. Do not use your Gua Sha aggressively. So I'm going to be using a facial oil. You can use any facial oil that you have with you, and it gives a slip to this Gua Sha. So let's apply this oil. You can also use your serum like vitamin C serum. Sometimes I use this Gua Sha and just massage the skincare into your skin. It also depuffs your skin. So I'm just gonna apply the facial oil and just massaging it with my hands. Also a little bit on my neck because we will be starting the massage from the neck. So I will start from my shoulder and then move it like this and then wiggle it on my neck. We will do it 5 times on both sides. Like this. My neck is the weakest point of my body. Whenever I get stressed, it attacks my neck. So it helps relaxing my body, and this is the final 5th step. Now let's move on to this side and we will do it 5 times. After this, we will move on to my face. Gua Sha also helps with the lymphatic drainage, and it also helps with the blood circulation, and it's been used in Chinese tradition for 2000 years. So it's an ancient practice, it's not new. So now we are done on our neck. Now let's move on to my face. For my face, I will start from my chin like this and then like this. Wiggle it. Do it 5 times. Wiggle it. Use a gentle hand. Do not use a lot of pressure. It is supposed to relax you, and it also helps with depuffing your face. Do it 5 times. And now we will move on to the cheek area. So from my nose, I will take it till the end of my eyebrow. 2. Do it very slowly and just enjoy this massage. We are trying to lift our face, so that's why we are making the outward motion. We don't want lymphatic fluid in the center of your face. That's why we bring the Gua Sha outwards like this. And now we will do the same thing on the left of my face. And now it's time for your forehead. So we will start from the center of your forehead like this and till your hairline, and then wiggle it. Do it 5 times. Wiggle it. After this, we will also do a head massage and take a shower. I will show you how my face looks after a facial massage. And now on the right side of your forehead, you will start from your eyebrow and lift it. From your eyebrow to your hairline. I already feel so sleepy. Same on this side. Now lastly, for your eye area, you have to use very gentle and light pressure, lighter than the rest of your face. And I'm going to be using this end of the Gua Sha. So 1, 2. It is so relaxing. 4, 5. Same on this side of your face. You can do this facial massage in the day or night, on weekends, on Sundays, or every day. I personally do it in the mornings when I'm going to film, because in the mornings I have a very puffy face, so it helps to depuff my face. And then I can put some skincare and makeup and start filming for you. Alright kitties, so I am done with my facial massage, my neck massage, and now I'm just gonna do some head massage, wash my hair, take a shower, and then I will show you if it makes a difference or not. So let's go. For my head wash, I'm using the Kama Ayurveda Bringadi hair shampoo. If you have been regular on my channel, then you know I love their products. Most of their products have worked for me. This shampoo has Bringadi, which promotes hair growth, makes hair naturally darker, prevent graying of hair. It's a sulfate and paraben free shampoo, and it also helps with the hair fall. When I was washing my hair, I could see there was very less hair fall. Now it also has the superstar ingredient, Amla. Indian gooseberry has been used for hair since ancient times of India. Nutrients in Amla can penetrate deep in the hair follicles and makes it soft, shiny and healthy. Hey kitties, so I am back from my shower and this is how my hair looks like. It feels so fluffy, and the shampoo added volume to my hair and it made my hair so shiny. Love that. Also, Kama Ayurveda as a brand does not launch 10 different products every month. They take the sweet time, do their research and clinically test their products, so definitely give this a try. I really love the shine of my hair. Also, I feel that my skin looks much healthier after the facial massage. I do it every day in the morning whenever I have to film videos, and you can see it depuffs my face and also help to increase the blood circulation in my face. Yeah, so this is the after kitties. This is how my skin looks and hair looks after the shower. You can also use these kind of Gua Sha for your jawline like this. I personally love the spoon Gua Sha for my face. Right now I don't have oil, skincare only. Definitely give these a try. And that's all for today's video kitties. Bye bye, take care.